Hey girlfriends, I'm Gabrielle Ishell and I am at the hair salon. I just went 5 days ago and to get it was my third curly cut, and I was telling her how I usually wait 7 days to do my hair and it's like tangled and I have to do a pre-poo, and she was like, well, maybe you should try doing it every 5 days. So here I am 5 days later, and funny story, when I was in the shop on Saturday, I was telling her that it's still taking me quite a long time to do my hair, and she was like, it should not be taking you that long. And I was like, well, I'm struggling, you gotta help me out, sis. So I didn't say that, but she said, what are you doing? When is your next wash day? And can you come to my shop? So I was like, yeah, I can come, because I work like literally 10 minutes. It was 9 minutes away actually. So that was cool. Anyways, I'm here because she's going to critique me as I wash my hair. So I'm going to show her what I do at home. And she already kind of knows, because I just showed her some of my YouTube videos where I was washing my hair, and she was like, you're basically doing double work. So I like finger detangle, and then I used a wide tooth comb, and then I use my tangle teaser to detangle my hair. And that's triple work really. So she's like, I don't have to do all that. So here I am at the shop. I'm gonna call her in like 2 minutes, let her know I'm here. It's 5:55. I told her I'd be here around 6. So I don't even know what car she drives. I don't know if she's here yet, but I'm gonna call her. I'm really excited and really thankful, because she is really nice. Like, a lot of people don't do that. She's literally gonna walk me through me washing my own hair. I'm not gonna be recording in there because it's just weird to do that. So maybe I'll get a little bit of it, but not really. So I'll just come back out after, and like, you guys can see my hair. This is day 5 wash and go that she did. It's very humid out, so I'm gonna put a picture right here of how it was when I first got it done. Like, my ears were covered with my hair on both sides. You could not see my ears, and now you can clearly see the bottom part of my ears because the humidity is crazy. And I thought my shrinkage was bad before, but yo, the humidity and shrinkage is not for me. But it's summer, so what do you expect? Anyways, let's go into the salon, and I'll probably come out after, or maybe when I'm under the dryer. We'll see. Let's go.
We're not doing that. You already doing that work.
What else gonna do today?
I'm gonna put you in the bowl and get your hair. We're gonna get your hair wet. But I want you to record. I want you to see, because the other issue is, the other secret and the other issues that nobody else is doing. If you wait to keep trying to get your hair wet, you're in the shower 10, 15, 20 minutes just trying to get it wet. Get that shampoo on it right away. What I'm saying, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about.
Prior to the last clip, we had a session where she asked me questions about my hair and my wash day routine, and it was very informative. She had her pen and notepad, and she was writing down things as I was talking about her. I showed her my little journal where I keep a log of every product that I use during each wash day. So very helpful. I changed my clothes so I could be more comfortable, and then we started washing my hair.
So the key is, first and foremost, definitely always emulsify. Okay. And with this, it's very concentrated, so a lot of times people don't do this long enough to do this and then put it on. This, the more you get it warm, the more product it makes.
She wants me to do most of the work. In this clip, she's just wetting my hair and doing the first shampoo, which is focusing on my scalp.
Still got some on my hands. Separates like.
See, I feel like I don't have it on my hand as long as you do.
What, when I'm doing this?
Well, no, I guess that's a thing too.
But look, I'm going to go to the middle and the back of your hair.
And you still have stuff in your hand. Okay.
Now,
I
don't get it twisted.
I swipe it like, well, I might not use as much either.
Oh, don't be scared. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Don't get it twisted. I did. This is probably 2 pumps. But all the way down, not a half pump or whatever. All the way down. You know. So what you need to start concentrating on is smoothing. This is going to help you. This is going to change the game for you. Okay? So, your first shampoo, this shampoo, you're going to get your scalp really good. I tell everybody. So, get in that scalp. Don't be scared, right?
One thing in particular that I learned from this part of the session was emulsify. I was showing her how much I usually emulsify, which wasn't enough. So that's definitely one tip that I think will be very beneficial to me in the future. See, and that's the thing. I stay in each spot way longer.
Yeah. So the goal is to get in and get out. You're like, oh yeah, this is so great. I'm not saying don't, pamper yourself and stuff like that. I'm not saying that. But I'm showing you that literally we want to get it on the hair. Yeah. We want to get it all throughout the hair. And we want to get that scalp really good. And then get it off. Okay? Yeah. That's what I'm showing you. And remember, your hair is very dense.
There's a reason why these stylists do what they do and they see good results with their clients, because they know hair. So, who am I really? I'm just talking about my own hair, but she's had experience with other people's hair, other people's texture, and so on and so forth. Check out Black Girl Curls or partner with a Kinky stylist. Go straight to the horse's mouth if you're interested in really learning more about it. Like I said, I'm just sharing my own experience.
Act like I'm not here. Now, emulsify some massages in your hair. Just want to make more. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Insane.
Don't do that.
And you're in the shower too, so you can wet it a little bit and get it more. Alright, so I need you to walk through. Yep. So you're real timid with your hair.
Yeah, because I feel like I'm gonna rip it.
You're not gonna rip it. So let me show you a secret.
So as I mentioned in other videos, the scalp is always what I focus on the first time I shampoo. Want to make sure you get a good scalp massage. You can use a little scalp massager to help with that, and I think it's really cool. It makes you do less work with your hands, although I do go in with my hands first and then the scalp massager second. It's just another tool that is very useful. So with this first shampoo, one thing that I struggle with is actually just doing the scalp. I know you're supposed to focus on the scalp, but in the first shampoo, I be doing the scalp and the length of the hair. So she's trying to show me that you don't need to do the length of your hair just yet. So now that she's rinsed the water out of my hair, she's letting me do the second shampoo. I am using the InnerSense Hydrating Hair Bath as I normally do in my videos. I am separating and swiping to add the product to my hair. It's just an easy way that she taught me to get the product on my hair, because she's trying to make this wash day as efficient as possible. Black Girl Curls call it wash hour, and I haven't gotten it down to an hour yet. So this is the whole purpose of the video. I'm trying to reduce the time that it's taking to do my hair, because I'm struggling with that. And as I mentioned before, I showed videos to my stylist of how I wash my hair, and she told me I'm basically doing double work. So I could basically cut my wash day in half by not doing double work.
Did you see this? Open it up a little bit. Go through it 1 or 2 times. Next piece. You being real timid. And I get it. But this is where you're wasting your time at, okay? So your fingers move down. You feel right here, you feel a lump right here. You feel that lump? Separate it. And now smooth it. Yep. No, don't go into it. Because you're going to detangle that. You're going to detangle that. Don't do that.
So as I'm showing her how I do it, she's showing me how I should be doing it, the technique that I should be doing that will make me kind of breeze through my hair faster than what I'm currently doing. She's trying to really get it in my head that I don't need to get caught up on like the little tangles and knots. that's why we have the detangling process. So right now I'm just getting the shampoo in my hair, and then I'm going to start smoothing it.
All right. So now you're gonna start smoothing.
So this is okay with texture?
Yes. Yes. You see what I'm telling you? You can't believe it, can you? Yeah, exactly.
Smoothing is so important. I saw this firsthand when I was able to do it myself. She says that my hair will get used to this and eventually, you know, curl up on its own as soon as I add water to it. That's what I'm looking forward to.
And our goal is to what? Reduce the time, right? So your first 2 shampoos, next time you do your hair by yourself, I expect you to be done this in 15 minutes. At the longest, you really should be done in 5, okay?
So smoothing is really helpful for the detangling process. So when I got to the detangling process, I noticed that my hair felt a little bit smoother. It's funny. Smoothing, smoother.
Look how flat you getting that hair, girl. That's crazy. No, don't separate it. You do that. No, move on. The goal is not to detangle right now. You're smoothing. That's what's gonna hang you up. There you go. You're gonna get all that in detangling. I'm telling you. I really want to do 10 minutes instead of 15 minutes. That's too much. So then you know you got 15 minutes. You won't use all 15 minutes. So you need to time yourself. You need to start with 10 and then get to 5. Okay. And think about it. When you hit that knot, you be like, oh, I only got 3 more minutes. She gonna kill me. Yeah, it's me. Just think of me sitting on your shoulder. Like, excuse me, what are you doing? Okay. What are you doing? So you feel like you learning?
Yeah.
There you go.
I like to stop and detangle every single knot that I feel in my hair. If I feel like it's unmanageable, I'll just cut it out with my shears. And she told me not to worry about that part in the shampoo process like I do. Double work. That's what the detangling process is for.
You think you did it enough? Do it some more.
This is when I stop.
This is when you stop?
Yeah. Oh, probably a little bit. So as we were going through each step, she was telling me how long it should actually take me to do each step. This was a big first step. Well, not even first step. We're on like week 23, so it's a big 23rd step.
So you're stopping halfway through when it's able to go through. Perfect. 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 Done. You're done. That section is gone through. You acting all scared.
She's telling me to smooth and move on, detangle and move on, because I take too much time on one little section. And she's also telling me that I can use bigger sections. Because when I typically condition at home, I would go in either with my fingers to finger detangle or a wide tooth comb and then go on with my tangle teaser. But once again, she said that's double work. The smoothing does really help from the shampoo process to the detangling, and I learned that I did not really need my fingers or wide tooth comb to help detangle prior to using the tangle teaser. So it's all in the technique, which I've been saying in a lot of videos, is the technique. You got to get the technique. You're using the right products, but do you have the technique down? And that is my hang up, I think. As I mentioned in a lot of my videos, I'm still a work in progress. I'm not perfect. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just showing you what I do with my hair. And this time, my stylist is actually helping me show you guys what I'm doing. This was very interesting, and I love this for me. I love that she took the time out of her day to sit with me one-on-one to actually show me and guide me on how I should be washing my hair. And it's really helped. You'll see in the, well, actually I didn't record for the next 2 weeks because I went out of the country, but you'll see 3 weeks after this, so maybe week 26, how this little session has really made an impact on my wash day. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment below, share this video out to all your girlfriends, and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, I will see you in the next one. Bye.